Good morning, guys. So, today we have create the 100% stack bar chart in Tableau. So, I will let you know how to create the 100% stack bar chart in Tableau. So, I'm just taking like reason first. So, I'm drag it reason in the raw shelf and sales in the uh, text cell. So we can just double click on the sales, then we can see the sales move in the text marks card. So we can see here reason wise sale, and we want stack bar 100% stack bar chart. So first we have move it in the stack bar horizontal bar, like. So we can just select the horizontal bars from the show me tab. So we just click on the stack bar chart, then we can see the reason wise sale in the horizontal bars. Now we can see here, like, central bar chart is total sale is 5 lakh 100 to 56, and for east region is 678,834, south region 391,750, and 725,514. So we can see, like, the the height of the bar chart as per the sale. So where we have most of the sales, then the bar chart is the with the long height. So for we want, like, we want 100% stack bar chart, then we can go in the sale, and then click on the quick table calculation, then select here percent of total. Alright, then again we can go in the sales down arrow, and then click on the edit table calculation, and then we just select here table across. Then we can see now all the bar chart is showing equally, regardless the total, regardless the mostly sale, loss, less sale. So we can see just 100% for all the bar charts, and we can just drag it the sales again in the text bar chart, I'm sorry, text marks card. Then we can see the sales as well, along with the 100% stack bar chart, and we can just move here the show, click on the show header, and move the all the axis here from the here. So this is the things how we can create the 100% stack bar chart. So thanks everyone, thank you so much.